Hello and welcome to a little bit of a bonus video. This thing just landed today and sorry for it being too close, but I have an issue with the camera here. My tripod is not taller. Anyways, this box arrived today and inside we have some coins. So let's do an unboxing if we can open it. So let's begin the operation. And I hope I have covered up all the important details. Okay, this is definitely wrapped well. Very well. Hopefully I don't cut off my fingers on camera. Let's see, getting in there. My God. That is definitely closed well. Well, we'll keep going here. One way or the other. Oops. Okay, I think we got it. Oh my God, this glue is strong. And in case people can guess, yes, this is APMEX. And there we go. Whew, that was rough. So yeah, one APMEX box. They do wrap their stuff well, but we'll talk about them another day. I only remember there should be 3 coins inside. I only remember 2 of them, even though I ordered this about 2 weeks ago. So let's see. There's probably going to be a piece of paper that we'll see. No. More wrapping. Okay. Let's keep going. This is helpful. And here we go. I see coins. Let's see. Make sure the papers come out. Can stay in there. Yeah, 3 coins. It's not going to be a review, but just quickly show them off. Oh yeah, this was the one I didn't remember. Another Simpsons coin, but for now that will be it. This one is one that I've been looking for some time. I actually bought it, but something happened, but story for later. Nice thing. And the last one is probably going to be my favorite, but it's pretty much just a black box. But the coin inside is going to be great. So anyways, that was my little unboxing. My 3 new coins, which will be reviewed, well, more or less shortly, I suppose. Anyways, thank you for watching this extra video. Until next time, bye bye.